Hello, everybody. I continue to document the techniques that I am finding while producing a video. This time, let's add another camera. But to have something to see, let's add some materials for this cube. Um, any color. Any color, it's okay. Edit mode. Select this face. And new material. Yeah. Add another color. Assign the color, and over here, and a new material, new one, probably this, and assign object mode. And now we have this little cube. Time to add the camera, you know. So if you press 0 on your numpad, you can create some. You can see what the camera is looking for. Is looking at. Sorry. And then let's increment this section, the timeline, and yeah, let's add some keyframe. It's here for the camera. Now at point 100, you can press N and view and camera to view to add just something to see. And again, and another keyframe. Then let's add another camera with Shift A, camera, and it is camera 1 over here, GC. But now let's set up this camera over here. Right click and select Set Active Camera. And we are saying nothing. So again, N and view, camera to view, and where is the cube? Oh yeah. Now we're looking from the other side, like this, and select the starting point with a keyframe I. Then the other the ending keyframe will be placed at 100 200, sorry. And yeah, now let's add the keyframe. Now let's look at the other camera. Where is it? Okay, it's time for us to add the cameras over here. So place your mouse in this section and press Ctrl or CMD. Depends on your operating system. Ctrl and B, and you see the camera has been placed. Now in the keyframe 100, and select your camera, right click, set active, and again over here, Ctrl B, and the cameras are now in place, and they are in, like camera view. So let's play the animation, and now you have two cameras for your scene. This is like a condensed information that I just saw on YouTube in a great video tutorial with lots of extra details. I certainly recommend that video in which this little demonstration was based. It's on the video description. I wanted to document it. Thank you very much. Bye.